Hi everybody, today we're going to be opening this. This is the size that we can get characters. It's a grape, watermelon, cherries, apple cherry, and then this is strawberry. Let's get opening.
I have to open mine.
Oh, I ripped it. Let's get Vivian. I'm going to open my characters up.
Can I see Violet?
Characters in here, but how do you get it there? Can you hear me?
What about this?
I need some scissors. And how do we get this thing out?
Violet already got it out.
Oh yeah, I gotta open it this side. I have to open it this side. I need to get my favorite side of this.
Would you like help?
No, I got it. Oh, this one. I got it. Mine has pink hair. I think mine has purple hair. Oh, mine's a strawberry. I got strawberry. I got blueberry.
Really?
Oops. I got strawberry. I got blueberry.
What's that in the box?
It smells so good.
I will be of assistance.
Thank you, Mama.
Let's
Look.
open up this
at
blueberry
this.
girl with purple. Oh, purple for Violet.
She got
You guys got your favorite colors. How did that happen? Purple and pink.
I think this one. Oh, did mine come with slices or this is this?
Okay.
Did mine
Let's see
come
what you got.
Oh, me and I got little sticks.
Can I see?
That's not little sticks.
I need some
I want to not open this right now. I want to start opening my package.
Oh, no.
Just kind of pinch it.
I'm going to open my package.
Hold that up. See, what is it, Violet?
I'm going to open the package first, and then
Let me see, Violet.
I'm going to put this on.
Oh, the roller skate?
I'm going to put this on. It's a poppet for her. I'm going to put a little teddy bear.
It's a poppet?
Can I see?
It's a teddy bear.
To their puppet?
Yeah.
Cool. And can I see the roller skates?
This one looks like a big one.
Let's see what your other stuff has.
I'll just put it on this
I
way.
have a jacket.
Oh, she's really skating.
It's a little,
Okay.
skirt for her.
Let me see.
She got a little
With strawberry skirt?
Yeah. I think that's in there. Oh gosh, I think I'm gonna open too. I'm gonna open my roller skate.
What about your straw, hon?
I'm gonna open this.
Go ahead, Violet. Open it.
I'm gonna open it. Yeah.
Here, I'll hold it one side. You hold it from up here. Hold it.
It could like be her shoes or something.
Pull it. No, you pull it from there? Yeah.
I got some.
A strawberry or a blueberry skirt?
No, maybe. I'm put this down.
Oh, you got a poppet as well. You got a purple poppet.
If you get a puppy, I'll.
Yeah, a puppy. A purple puppy.
Because that's my So this is what my doll looks like when I put her roller skates on. Okay.
Violet's
I
trying
hope her
to.
hair doesn't get messy. Because last time when I had a doll like this, she was in her hair got really messy.
But don't forget, you gotta take the straw, puncture it right there, and get that smelly. This is it's gonna.
Smelly.
So what do you do? You just.
It's going to be smelling it. It's going to be smelling it and reveal. Ah.
Ooh.
I need help. Let me see.
Hold on, hold on.
I'll open it.
Strawberry.
Let's try to give it a second now. You can open it.
Hmm.
Can you open it?
Yep.
Can you help me? Smell like anything.
Let's see. What else? So can you hold up everything you got?
I wanna see what her skirt looks like. I wanna put her skirt on.
Her skirt. Oh, did you get skirt or shorts, Violet?
I got skirt.
A skirt.
I got skirt. No, she got shorts. She got a sweat skirt. I'm gonna see.
Hold on.
No.
Okay, ready?
No, it's not.
I know. Oh, wait. Oh, it's kind of hard to.
This anything.
I think it's supposed to just look like a
little drink.
Barbie Pop Reveal.
Like blueberry?
Bonnie Blueberry. Bloop, 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 bloop. Alright, so you guys got stuff. You're trying to put the dress on?
Yes.
Ooh,
I don't have a dress.
you do. You were trying to put it on the whole
You
time.
have shorts. Oh, these are some cute
Let me
shorts.
see, Vivian.
I need to do my doll out first. There we go. Look at
Put her skates on.
my cute.
Does she smell like strawberry?
Yeah.
Oh, the dolls smell like, this one smells like blueberry.
And the other smells strawberry.
And Vivian's smells like
I
strawberry.
don't. I
Okay.
like strawberry too. I can eat strawberries.
Her hair looks prettier like this.
Nothing.
You can smell her right here. She smells like blueberry. And she has blueberry pants. I wish I had those shorts.
Me too.
Can I see you?
I could have blueberry pants.
Let me see yours, Vivian.
Wait, we need to look at the instructions. See what it says us to do. Yeah. I just slime. Because you put B in there. Okay, so one thing we forgot to do.
What?
I forgot to do something.
What is that? Oh, it's supposed to look like ice and you open it and you throw it in there? Wait, what is that? Hot and there's cold?
Oh, let me see. Okay.
Oh, it's 18-inch colors.
So the roller blades are the little ice block.
Yeah, that's the thing that like they're
And you pop it. So when you put it in warm water or cold water, so when it's warm, you don't see the fruit on the face.
Where's my box?
But when it's cold, let's get an ice cube. Let's try that real fast.
Where's my... Oh. Can I have the cookie right here?
the ice cube that you
Yeah.
opened up real quick and threw on the floor?
Yeah. I didn't go on the fly. I put it next to
Okay, let me see before this melts. Can I try this real quick? So I'm going to do an ice cube real quick just because I'm trying to go fast. Oh, look. I got a big chunk, but there's a little blueberry. Wow, that's tiny. And the instructions, it
Let me
looks
see,
like
let me
it'd
see.
be bigger.
Hold on one second.
Can I just do mine?
Let's see. I'll just rub it a little more. It looks like a mole.
So let me see yours real quick.
Okay.
Okay.
And let's
So
see
yours
this
looks
one.
like that. Hold on, let's see how it
Oh,
looks.
yours is already showing.
Was it showing the whole time?
But hers wasn't really.
How about this thing?
No, I think it's just that
Wait.
part.
Let me try.
It doesn't come off Violet. She's trying to take up.
No.
It already.
If it's good, it will come off.
I don't think it's supposed to come off.
Okay. So hers goes away.
Oh look.
Hers
Well,
goes
hold on, let me
away.
see. Watch out, watch out. Go.
Oh,
Yeah,
right
see.
here.
So if you put your
See?
finger.
It's gone, right?
Yeah.
And then voila.
Ooh la la.
How is it gone?
Pinky mints.
Why is mine not
Wow.
being gone?
Gone. They can see through the ice. There. Gone.
Gone.
Here you go.
Mine is gone. Look.
Let me see.
Mine. I
Gone.
up. Gone.
There.
Hi. Gone. Oh. Hi, go to Grandma.
And is everything?
Yep.
Vivian. Let me see. Violet, are you guys ready to say bye?
Bye.
Violet.
Bye.
See you later.